Beware of unfriendly friends. One may ask, how can one be an unfriendly friend? Well, let me tell you this, my friends. Life is full of unfriendly friends. Some people don't die when the arrow pierced their chest. They actually died because they saw who threw the arrow. And this morning, I'm just here to enlighten you on signs that you can look for when a person is an unfriendly friend. So don't be fooled by their smiles, because laughing and smiling don't mean a thing, because you don't know what they are thinking. An unfriendly friend plot against you at night and laugh with you in the morning. They smile a lot and act nice to you, but really and truly, they are talking and gossiping behind your back. They appear when they need you and disappear when you need them the most. They are very selfish and rather self-centered. Your successes threaten them. They get upset when something goes good for you, when something good happens to you. They are highly covetous. They blackmail you emotionally, takes advantage of you, causes you pain, hurt you, and deceive you all the time. They always try to compete with you and make you feel as if they're better than you. An unfriendly friend always criticizes you negatively. They constantly point out all the negative things about your life. They don't see anything good about you. They discredit you and doubt everything you say or do. They hold you in low esteem and spread lies and falsified accusations about you. They lack faith in you and belittle your achievements. They are not consistent. They cannot be depended on. You cannot rely on them. They are not trustworthy. Unfriendly friends don't feel bad or remorse when they hurt you. They never apologize. Rather, they are judgmental. Always feeling that they are right. They rejoice when something bad happens to you. Your pain actually gives them joy. Unfriendly friends will never patronize you, even if you are the one selling the secrets to long life and prosperity. Because of envy and jealousy, they will never patronize or support you. They are happy when you share your secrets with them, because in their minds, they're going to use that secret against you at some point in time to blackmail you, hurt you, or betray you without your notice. And in closing, my friends, you see, sometimes your problem is really not the problem, but your actual problem is the person you tell your problem. Mankind, I'm telling you, my friends, the heart is deceitful above all things and desperately wicked. Who can relate? Yeah, man. A word to the wise.